Growing up, I loved using 3D printing to make parts. I wanted to make something that lets everyone 3D print, all the way from making prosthetics to aerospace parts to satellite parts. And really the one thing that's hindering adoption is quality inspection and certification of part quality. In order to make an impact on the industry, I knew I needed a partner like UC San Diego. At Phase3D, we've developed fringe inspection. It's a technology that scans every layer during metal 3D printing. So as companies are using metal 3D printing to go from prototype all the way through to production, they need to know when the part is good or when the part is bad. We find defects so customers can kick the part out, and we can certify part quality so these parts can go on aerospace, in the human body, and beyond. My experience at UC San Diego was so supportive, and it helped me use my creativity and with the resources of a major institution, solve a problem in a way that has never been solved before. They showed me how to start a company, how to keep things lean, and get enough funding to really enter that next stage of development, which is commercialization. UC San Diego really provided me with the expertise to solve a problem at this scale. At Phase3D, our vision is to make a future where anyone can print any part at high quality.